This 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail COVALENTS1S330SI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 37 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, microwave, external shower, TV, LP detector, oven, awning, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail SS330SI is 7,547 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.